Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about how to do this standard steel box. Okay, something like this or we're using kitchen cabinet. Okay, so first just drag the wall cabinet from here. Okay, after that delete this one, delete the door, delete the door. Okay, then we turn here all to the door pattern. Okay, so for example, this one I give it 1200 first. Okay, so we can see. Select B, board selection, select the panel, right click, turn it to door lift. Okay, right click, turn it to door lift. Okay, right click, turn it to door lift. Right click, turn it to door lift. Or do the same thing, to the door lift. Okay, right click, turn it to door lift. Then we set one door only. Okay, so you may exit first or turn all become door. Select this one, right click, then choose the panel type. Okay, first we choose the panel type. So for this one, panel type, right, we are here, this one universal. Okay, this one universal. Here we're gonna type the door PM dash PK 002, enter. Okay, computer found it, then select. Okay, so after that we need to change the door, this one, or you can see, or this one we call it door call, or right click, change the door call. Okay, door call style is here. Okay, change the door call. Door panel is outside, door call is inside. Okay, so in door call here we would like to choose this one, type this number only, 04141332, search. Okay, search under here, or we search under here, search. If not, then search here. Okay, you need to select 04141332, search. See, meridian. Okay, so just select. This one are in here, all the door call, you can see door call. See, all the door call are here. Okay, okay, I type back the number I lazy to find one by one. Okay, type back the number, wait a moment, click here, select this one. But actually we can use this one also guys. Okay lah, never mind, I don't follow my boss method. Okay, we change it. Okay, in here you may find door call, or door call here. Okay, so you find the pattern, or maybe find some pattern here, different pattern. See, each of them have different pattern. Next. Okay, I need to use this one. See, this one meridian. This one my boss found one. Okay, so same number same number. Yeah, 232. Okay, just select only. Okay, after change the door call, we change the material, or right click. You may go to here, material, door material. Okay, in the door material here we select aluminium, or this one, metal. Next one. Second page, aluminium. Yeah, just next to the gold here, this one. Okay, and copy the color copy the color, so become something like this. Then we right click on it, format painter, style material painter, just paint only. Okay, yeah, different pattern. Okay, about this one, if you want more something like this, or more line, then you may just right click or change the pattern, door call also, or we call it door call inside, door call style. This one we'll choose this one, same thing, or medium, but we choose more pattern here, more. Okay, more one. Okay, Okay, after that we may just right click, copy last style material painter, copy the same thing, copy the same thing, we then lock same. Okay, and one more thing, this one forget copy the material, copy the material is important. Okay, so let's say we render it, I may use this angle to render, or just to show you some of the different to let you know. Okay, render. Okay, show here. Let's say a few moments later. Oh, no need, so fast. Okay, done. Okay, you can see this one. Inside are empty, only outside have the pattern, or like this. Okay, so to make something like this, okay, we need to do one more step. Okay, one more step, or to turn the panel. Okay, let's say this one you may need to turn now, it's white color, right? Okay, we go back, or kitchen function, select it first, or you see this one is the Mediterranean door core. Okay, then if I want to turn it, I may just change the rotate it. Okay, 180. You can see the pattern come out already, and we move it back left or right. Okay, let's say here, go up, select left or right. Okay, so white here 210 left. Okay, then if you want to move it inside a bit or adjust in here, okay, maybe I move 20 a bit. So this is one. Okay, another one here, or opposite, do the same thing. Okay, do the same thing, 180. Okay, then left right, follow the white, 210, enter. Okay, then make it move in a bit, front back 20, or do the same thing. So for this one also, because just now you see the picture have no pattern, or this one is inside, we need to rotate it. Okay, so rotate it, same thing, or you can try, I'm not sure which one, or this one. Yeah, suppose it's this one. Okay, then we move it back up. Okay, yeah, you see the color are darker a bit. Okay, so we move it up, 544, move up, 544, under 544. Okay, see, then move it in a bit, or move it in a bit, front back. Okay, you follow the angle, front back. Okay, 20, move it in. Okay, so let's say I done already, or a few moments later, okay, let's say I render again, or do the same thing, render again. Okay, render, just this angle, we use better solution. Okay, so let's say a few moments later, so this is the stainless steel box. Thanks for watching, bye.